Hello everyone, my name is Amos. Welcome to my HTML and CSS tutorial class. Uh, in the last tutorial I did on HTML and CSS, we created a blog page news. This is what you can see here. It's a blog page, how most articles look like. So here is the image. We have some categories here where you can stick them. These are the text of the images, the tags, the categories, and where a user that visits your website can enter comments and post it. So that's what we have here. But today we are going to be creating uh, our theme our theme page. uh, Let me show you a sample of what I'm talking about. This is one of the sites that I've worked on. So this is exactly what we want to do today. So this is a page that shows our team, members of the team. And if you want to create it using an HTML, using HTML and CSS. So if you open one of them, this is what we have. So this is we're going to do this by using HTML and CSS, then also this, but this is our starting point. Then we'll pick one of them which we are going to do. So let's get started right away. So I'm going to duplicate this page. Now call it uh, our theme, but it's going to show this because we've not created the file. So we'll come to our code. Let's just duplicate one of these and we'll paste it in, then we save. So since we are basically using the same CSS and the likes, so we just change our title to our theme. Okay, then we get rid of some things here. We can just change this one to all team members. We change this to all team members, and we can make let's make a duplicate of this, paste it here. You can say this one can go to not necessary. I think what we should just do is to change this one to our team. Okay, so all we need to do is to get rid of all this. We don't need them. Whoa. Let's just get rid of all this. Then let's close this div of row. Okay, so it's very simple. Now we'll have our section. You give it a class of page section. We have a div with a container. We have a div with a row. Now we are going to be making use of 3 bootstrap CSS classes, which is for this image thumbnail. We are going to be making use of this accordion. This accordion is like this is how it works. So instead of using it to hide a text, so this is exactly what we are going to use the accordion for, and the progress bar, something like this. So let's go back to our code. So first thing we need to do is we have like from the images, let me see, where are the, okay, we have about 7 of them. So let's just create, let's have, since we have a div with a column, we'll create a div that has 4 columns. Okay, this one already has a row, so we need to create another row that has to create another column. Okay, so but for here we have, once we've achieved it for one, we are good to go for the rest. where the major work is when we are building for an individual person. So this one will show them fast. So we use column large 4 on large screen, then we use column medium 6 for medium screen, then we put it in text center. Then we have an anchor tag, the href. Where do we want it to go? Let's just say team. We want it to go to team member 1. That means we will need to create this fact. And when you click on this image, let's even create it so that, let's save this. Where is that our team? Let's close all this image. We are using this barista 1 to 7. So let's just duplicate this our team and call it team member 1. Okay, so we remove this. So it's going to come to that. But here, let's do it this one. All right, so inside this anchor tag, that's where our image is going to be. We give it an image with the source by using 7 image img slash barista7.jpg. then we'll give it an alternative attribute. I'll say team member 1.jpg. then we need to add that class. And what's that class? Is this bootstrap class, this image thumbnail. So let's just get all this and put it here. You can type it in. Okay, so the next thing is to have a text. No, not select now. Using another anchor tag. We can also say you should go to this place too, because when you click on the text, or when you click on the name, you should go to this place. So inside it, we are going to have an h2 tag, and we'll say let's just use John Richards, or we use Kevin Richards. Okay, all right, so this h2 will give it a class of team name. All right, so then we'll have a paragraph tag. We'll call it let's just say manager. Let's do manager. Then we'll give it a class of team position. These are custom. When I'm saying custom, the one I made, they are custom classes. So you can give it, when you are doing yours, you can use it for anything. You can use anything there. All right, so we'll give an anchor tag. We say you shouldn't go anywhere. We'll give it a class of team icon. This one is also a custom class, because that's what I will use to style them. So inside my internet has disconnected. Let me quickly connect it back. So it's going to connect. I don't know why it's disconnecting. All right, so inside the team tag, we'll have the social media stuff. That's the I tag. Okay, so we'll have we'll give it a class of let's come to one of the pages that we did. I think that was a place that we've used all these social media, whatever. Let's just get all this, so I'm having to retype them again. So we'll paste it here, but we'll change this thing to team. All right, so I think we are good to go. So let's save and see how our page looks like. we refresh. Okay, so this is exactly what we want to achieve. So this is the image. If you click on this image, it will go to this team member this thing. So but since we've not done anything there, so let's go back to it. All right, so we've done with one of them. The next thing is just to make duplicate for the rest the rest of them. So all we need to do now is I said colon 3, I will type 4. All right, so we'll make a duplicate 1, 2. Okay, so let's just call this one 6, this one is 5, this one is 4. Okay, so since we have the first one, this is our first row, so let's duplicate this whole row. We'll bring it down, then we need to remove 1 because we have 7 images there. So we remove this, then we've used what's it called, where did we stop? We've used image 7, so let's just say Ellen Langford, and we'll change this one. Ellen Langford is like, let's just say coffee attendant. Put anything there. You can say this one is John Lacey. We'll say cook. Let's change the image. This one is 6, this one is 5. Then for this one, okay, this one is 4. So for this one, let's just say cafe. What name should we use this one now? So let's just say administrator. Let's just say Mike Amos. Okay, so we'll change this one to 3. We'll say, let's just give this one barista. And okay, so let's change this one to 2. We change this one to 1. I will say Ashley Richards. Then we say Ben Patterson. Say cook manager. And just say chef. So let's save and go back to our page. If we refresh, we have all our team there. So this is our team page. So let's just quickly style it and build the one other page. So by that, let's put some space here. So this is where the second row is. So we'll just say div, and this is how you write space in HTML. let's just duplicate like 4 of them. We go back to refresh, there will be space there. Okay, this one is Ben is the name of a man. Let's just say Kim. All right, so let's come to our styling. All right, so for the first styling that we're going to do, we start with the team name. We'll use this team icon too. So remember this where the team name is, that means this, the team position and the team icon. All right, so team name, then the team position, then the team icon. All right, for the team icon, we say give it a width of 40 pixels. We give it an height of 30 pixels. Then we'll give it a padding. I'm just going to use padding for all the side 5. The same thing with margin 2. Margin 5 pixels. Okay. So what about the theme that has this theme icon with an anchor of tag? So let's duplicate this and we'll put the a tag there. So the width, we give it the width of 50, we give it an height of 50. We need the margin. Let's say, okay, we want it to be display block, that means on the straight line, display block. Then we'll give it a margin right of 6 pixels. We'll make the position relative. We'll give it a padding of left 10 and right 16. Okay, then it should be add a background color of BC9. Okay, we've used this before. All right, so let's come to the what of if we hover on this theme icon. That's the simple thing that we're going to do there. As when you hover on those on the social media this thing, the only thing we are going to do there is we give it a color of our theme color of 244 this. Then let's style the theme name and the position. All right, so for the theme name, we'll give it a color of the same 244244. It's an anchor. Where is the theme? This thing is in an anchor tag, so we need to remove that on the line, which is text decoration. We'll set it to none. Then let's get our font. We get this. Come here, paste. Then we have this. The font size should be 30. Okay, 900. All right. Okay, so when you over on the theme name, the next color is that our gold color. Every other thing should remain. It's just the color that I want to change. Then when the theme name, when you are on the theme name, focus, then the theme name over, what should happen? We don't want the text decoration to be there, so we put the text decoration to be none. So for the text position now, let's get all this. No, let's make use of this one. The only thing we are going to change there is the font size. We'll copy this. Let's replace it with this. We'll change the font size to that is not an anchor text. So now let's go and refresh. Okay. Ooh, my internet is all right. Sorry for the break in transmission. My internet was disconnected, so I needed to reconnect it to be able to show the pages. So this is exactly how our page looks like. So when these are the CSS styling, okay. So uh, the the only thing that we're going to add is to change this color. We want them to be black, something of this color. So we'll quickly do that. So we'll come to our code base, our theme. We'll come to theme icon. Where is our theme icon? Okay, we didn't give it a color. So our theme icon, we need to give it a color. So we save, go back and we refresh. Okay, so this is how we'll create our team page when you want to create a team member page. So this is one of the ways in which you can do it. So in the next tutorial, we're going to build how we want each personal ones to look like. So build that in our next tutorial. Please ensure you go through this and try it on your own. So in the next tutorial, we're going to build one of this, a template of how we want our team member to look like. So please like the video, make your comment on the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see us at the next tutorial. Thank you and bye for now.